Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The Best Shower Power Pro is probably one of the most innovative and effective solutions for tackling tough bathroom grime, offering a powerful yet gentle way to restore the sparkle to your shower and tiles without the need for harsh chemicals or excessive scrubbing, making your cleaning routine significantly easier and more enjoyable. Number 5. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. Tired of tough scrubbing? This powerful tool oscillates 60 times per second, blasting away grime and restoring surfaces with ease. Why work harder when you can work smarter? It scrubs up to twice as fast as manual cleaning, saving you time and effort. Don't shy away from wet messes. Its robust water resistance ensures reliable performance, even in the most challenging cleaning situations. From faucets and tile to kitchen appliances, this versatile tool tackles grime in tight spaces all around your home. Take the cleaning power outside. It's perfect for your patio grill, car wheels, and even your golf clubs. Give your sneakers and boots a new lease on life. It polishes and deep cleans, helping them last longer and look their best. What we like? This device scrubs 60 times per second, saving you significant time and energy. If you're tired of manual scrubbing and want a faster, more effective clean for everyday grime, this is your go-to. Its water-resistant design makes it perfect for tackling tough jobs in the bathroom and kitchen. What people say. The oscillating head has strong cleaning power for its size, and the variety of attachments makes it easy to tackle everything from grout lines to tight corners to larger surfaces. It is small but mighty. The brush head is not soft, it's kind of dense hard, so it gives you some pressure for sure. It is powerful. It is great, and it can get in all the little nooks and crannies. Number 4. Goo Gone Pro Power Adhesive Remover. Introducing Goo Gone Pro Power, the professional strength solution for your toughest adhesive challenges. It effectively removes sticky residues without damaging your surfaces. Experience the power of our professional-grade formula. This remover is designed to tackle even the most stubborn adhesives with ease. Whether it's tape, stickers, or caulk, this product handles it all. Its potent formula ensures a clean finish every time. Infused with the natural power of citrus, it leaves behind a fresh scent. Enjoy a powerful clean that's also pleasant. Get the job done with our generous 128 FL size. This large bottle ensures you have enough for multiple uses and big projects. Keep this essential tool in your arsenal for any sticky situation. It's the reliable choice for professionals and DIYers alike. What we like? This cleaner tackles the toughest adhesives with its professional strength formula. If you're dealing with stubborn sticky residues from labels, tape, or tar, this is the solution you need. Its powerful action makes quick work of messes that other cleaners can't handle. What people say. This stuff completely removed the adhesive in one overnight use, and left nothing that needed to be scraped up. It smells citrusy, which wasn't bad either. This stuff is far better than any industrial adhesive stripper. Very pleasantly surprised that it softened the sealant and I was easily able to remove it. With almost no effort, this stuff cleaned dried oil paint residue off my laminate floor and left it looking virtually brand new. Number 3. AquaSonic Home Dental Center Pro Black Series Pro Plus. Introducing the AquaSonic Home Dental Center Pro. It's designed to make your oral hygiene routine simpler and more effective than ever before. Experience the ease of brushing and flossing with this advanced device. Achieve a superior clean with just one tool. This powerful combination integrates a high-performance toothbrush with a precision water flosser. It tackles plaque and debris from every angle. Achieve visibly whiter teeth and promote healthier gums. Its innovative technology works to improve your overall oral health. The Black Series Pro Plus offers a complete oral care solution. It's your all-in-one system for a radiant smile and lasting gum health. What we like? Achieve whiter teeth and healthier gums with this all-in-one dental solution. If you're looking for a convenient way to combine brushing and flossing for a superior clean, this is it. It's designed for those who want to elevate their oral hygiene routine effortlessly. What people say. The toothbrush is amazing as well. No other toothbrush and water pick provides 6 extra brush heads. My teeth feel polished and smooth after brushing. The water pick heads are perfect, getting all the debris from between your teeth. I love the high-end design and the black color fits perfectly with my decor. Everything is housed well and aesthetically pleasing. The toothbrush is wonderful. It comes with several replacement heads. The wand has several cleaning features from cleaning to whitening to deep clean, and boy does it work. The deflossing unit provides you with more than enough water to feel like you have gotten the job done, and it too comes with 2 speeds, clean and massage. Number 2. Lutron Caseta Smart Dimmer Switch Kit PBDG PKG2WA. Seamlessly integrate your lights with major smart home ecosystems like Amazon Alexa, Apple Home, and Google Home. It connects with more smart devices than any other brand, offering unparalleled compatibility. Control your lights wirelessly from any room using the included Pico remote. It works through walls and offers a long battery life, giving you convenience throughout your home. Transform your existing lights into smart lights with a single dimmer switch. This allows you to save money and maintain your preferred bulb styles while enjoying smart functionality. Manage your lighting from anywhere using the intuitive Lutron app. Access advanced features like scenes, scheduling, and geofencing for complete control. Enhance your home's aesthetic with its sleek, modern design. This dimmer switch not only offers advanced functionality but also complements your decor perfectly. Experience ultra-reliable smart lighting that doesn't depend on your Wi-Fi. It operates independently, ensuring fast performance without slowing down your other devices. What we like. This smart dimmer switch offers the most connected smart lighting experience, working reliably even without Wi-Fi. If you want seamless integration with all your smart home devices and the convenience of remote control, this is the choice. It's perfect for creating custom lighting scenes and schedules. What people say. It was very easy to install, even for the 3-way switch. The included plate covers hide the screw holes, giving it a more modern and clean look. With the app you have complete control of every switch individually, thanks to the tiny hub that ties them all together using its own wireless network. The hub plugs into your wireless router so you can control your switches from anywhere over the internet. Lutron Caseta system is the best system because of its versatility and integration with Alexa, Google, Apple, etc. Number 1. Handheld Pressurized Steam Cleaner. Experience powerful cleaning with hot steam that heats up in just 3 minutes. It provides intense steam for up to 15 minutes, making it perfect for any cleaning task. Clean your home naturally and safely using only water. This chemical-free solution ensures a healthy environment for your family, including children and pets, without harmful residues. Cleaning is effortless with this lightweight and portable device. Its compact size and long cord allow you to easily move between rooms and clean any space. Tackle a variety of cleaning tasks with ease. It effectively handles kitchen grease, bathroom grime, car interiors, and more, offering an all-in-one solution for your home. Clean with confidence thanks to the reliable safety lock. This feature prevents accidental steam release, ensuring safe operation around children and pets and giving you peace of mind. This device comes with 12 powerful accessories, including various brushes and nozzles. These attachments make it easy to switch between different cleaning jobs, making it a truly versatile tool. What we like. Experience powerful, chemical-free cleaning with this handheld steam cleaner. If you prioritize a safe and healthy home environment, especially with children or pets, this is ideal. Its versatility and included accessories make it perfect for tackling grime and grease on multiple surfaces. What people say. It uses water quickly and you can't see inside it, but it works so well. The steamer melted the rock-hard mess and I was done cleaning in a jiffy, so you can imagine how well it cleans regular surfaces. It worked very well. Even left a polished look on the range top I have never seen since I moved into my apartment many years ago. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.